Hey, y'all, what's up, man? Yo, I'm down here. I just got out of court in Newark, okay? Got the consent order. I've always had 50-50 joint custody of little Sean, my son. He be with me 15 overnights a month. I have 15 overnights a month, and I pay no child support. There was an issue with his schooling, where he currently goes to school, in the town where his mother lives. And up until this time, she had been the PPR, the primary parent of residence. There's a PAR, primary alternate residence, and parent of alternate residence, parent of primary residence, PPR, PAR. And you know, he had expressed to me that he wanted to change schools. He had also expressed to her that he wanted to change schools. But there was no cooperation in doing what he wanted to do, right? What she felt was better for him. He was 12 years old, he's 13 now. So a restraining order was filed against me, TRO, that got dismissed. And right after the restraining order got dismissed, myself, I filed the motion to move him from the school that he's in to the school in the town where I live. Filed it myself, paid the money, but I hired an attorney. And I just got the consent order today. I won. Sean will be going to school next year in the town I live in. And for school purposes, I am the primary parent of residence. I am the PPR. You understand? Now, this is what I want to say to all the fathers out there, man. I don't care where you live in the United States. I don't care what nationality, what religion, what color, what creed, whatever. We as men, we scared to go to the courtroom. Yes, we are. 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 What's up? I'm doing something, shooting a video. But let me say this, because I was scared. Right? I was scared. But let me tell you, I tell you this all the time. You got to do that which you fear and get the courage after the fact. Do that which you fear, all the signatures on the back, and get the courage after the fact. As a father, you got to fight for your daughter. You have to fight for your daughters. As a father, you have to fight for your son and your daughter. As a father, you have to fight for your son. As a father, you have to fight for your sons. Whatever your situation is, you got to get down for your motherfucking crown. No matter how much fear you have, the negative self-talk, the self-doubt, it ain't gonna work. The courts is leaning toward the mother, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of that may be true, right? But check this out. A lot of these judges and a lot of these courts, they are well aware that in a lot of instances, the fathers be better fit for the child than the mothers, and it's not automatically through default like they side with the mother no more. Now They looking at everything. They looking at everything. And they making a decision based upon merit. Based upon merit. So don't think that automatic like, yo, it ain't gonna be worth my time. I ain't wasting my time. You understand? Messing with that, cause they gon' side with the mother. You understand? You know, I'm scared. I'm a convicted felon. I'm a convicted felon. I got a federal felony. I'm a convicted felon. Oh, I'm a convicted felon. They gonna look at my background. They not gonna give me cuss. You can't do that. You can't do that, right? Because, like I say, hold on, y'all. My camera was doing just fine. I messed with it and then messed it up. You gotta go for yours. You gotta go for yours. And you gotta shoot your best shot, right? I never missed a court date. I filed the motion. To get this thing going. Soon as the restraining order got dismissed, 3 days later, 72 hours later, I'm filing the motion, right? And I learned how to file all these motions myself. I'm not no lawyer. I'm an accountant. I have an accounting degree and I have a master's degree in finance. I know nothing about the law other than what little bit I worked in the corporate world. But for my son and for my life, see, your daughter is your life. Your daughters are your life. Your son and your daughter are your life. Your sons are your life. And your son is your life. And little Sean is my life. Sean is my life. So, man, it wasn't going to be nothing. It wasn't going to be nothing. Nothing was going to stop me. Nothing, nobody was going to stop me. And it ain't nobody going to stop me, man. Nothing. I'm going all out for mine because this is my life. And let me tell you this. During this process, Sean is 13. I've been in family court. I got out of prison in 2016. She stole custody from me in 2014 before I went to the feds. 8 years? What is it? 10 years? 10 years. 10 years. 10 years. 10 years. 10 years. I don't give a fuck if we go another 30 years. Never, Sean G. You're not just gonna house. You're not just gonna house my son. You're not gonna bully me. Never me. And to the fathers out there, don't punk out. Don't punk out. You done punked out or you ready to punk out. You can't punk out. You gotta go to lose. If I lose, I lose. But at least, and see, the way I looked at it was like, I'm gonna go down into this courthouse. I don't care what they say, win, lose, or draw. As long as I show the sun, moon, and stars that I'm willing to get down for my crown, then the universe in and of itself is going to work with me, right, to help me achieve my aim. That's how I think. That's how I think. And there were times, y'all, where I felt low. There was times I felt low that I could play handball with the curb. I felt low like I could play handball with the curb. And I lost many battles in these 10 years. A lot of times I lost, but I kept filing motions. Representing myself in court, going pro se against her punk ass lawyer. You understand? Because I wasn't there for a wiffle ball game. I wasn't there for a game of checkers. It wasn't a game of dominoes, right? A bag of popcorn. This was my son, man. It's my seed, man. This is my seed. This is my seed. God didn't give God didn't give little Sean to the judge. He didn't give little Sean to her punk ass lawyer. You understand? Or to her. He gave him to me. He gave him to me. You understand? Or both of us, right? But the male gene is the dominant gene. I got the cream of life. I got the cream of life. You understand? I got the cream of life. You understand? So, to the fathers, man, you better not give up. You better not quit. File that motion and show up to court. And when you get in front of the judge and you get ready to speak, be scared, be nervous, but say it anyway. Say what you got to say anyway. Because once you say it, it's said. But if you be quiet, you sit there, or you stay at home and you don't file a motion, they're gonna do you dirty, man. And your kids only get to be young one time. So whatever influence that you don't put in them from the ages of 3 to like 11, that's when you can shape them and mold them how you want. You need to be in their life from the ages of 3 to 11. And you got to speak that, you got to speak life into them. You understand? You got to install, take everything from your hard drive and you got to download it on them. Because once they get 15, 16, it's too late. It's too late. It's over. It's too late. It's too late. Shout out to all the fathers, man. Huh? Nigga got that fed look, man. Never quit, never give up, man. You understand? Abs, all that. Nigga money all the way around. Go fight for yours, man. Don't punk out. Be scared, but do it anyway. Peace.